Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can animate text on CapCut PC. So I've already have a video imported to the CapCut PC and I want to just add the text. Here I'm going to add text. Okay, I'm going to just add this text and change the color first. And I'm going to change the font. Okay, so here is the text that I added. And to animate the text, you can just click on the text right here and then go to animation tab at the top left in here. And there will be three options: in, out, and also loop. I'm going to just use the loop for now. And here there are lots of options that you can use. For example, I want to add this trail. Okay, so the text will go like this. So you can just choose any animations that you want to animate your text. Okay, I'm going to just select the first one, and here you can also adjust the speed of the animations like this. And when you're done, you can just click on any on your track. Okay, so that's how you can animate text on CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.